is Shany. Today I will be making some plant-based Italian sausage, as well as I have some cabbage, and I will be making rice. Inside my cabbage, I will be putting my vegetables. So let's get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna start out by cutting my plant-based sausage, and I'm gonna put them in the pan, fry up for a little bit, using some grapeseed oil. I'm trying to think, should I saute some of the, yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit of these inside here with some sausage. And I'm gonna put some inside straight in the pan. The pot with the cabbage. That's how I'm gonna do that. Saute some of them. Might have to transport that to a larger pot. Pan. I'm sorry. I might need a bigger pan for this, so I'm gonna do that. Make a bigger pan. I'm gonna saute everything together, and then everything will be going in the same pan with the cabbage. It's a lovely meal. Something nice and light and easy to pour over your rice.
Just a little.
So I have decided to put all my onions and peppers in with the meat. And after I saute all of that together, I will be putting everything in a pan with the cabbage. Let's let this sit. I'm gonna let this cook on about a 350 degree fire. I'm gonna let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, and that should be good. Hey guys, we're back. So this is the final look. It's sauteed down. And I'm going to be seasoning my cabbage right now. So let me tell you the seasonings that I will be using. Some turmeric, pink salt, grounded pepper, some oregano, some thyme, and Italian mixes that. I love turmeric. It's very good for your body. Very good for inflammation. Anti-bloating. When it's used together with peppercorn, grounded pepper, it works excellent. I'm just eyeballing. When I put my seasonings, I just eyeball them. Now we'll be blending my meat, my pepper. Well, my plant-based meat, meatless. Huh? Let's see if we do anything. Okay, I'm gonna let this soak in. And let all these seasons and peppers and everything soak in. And I'll be back in just a few with the milk plated. Okay, I'm letting this saute. Coming out, blending down pretty good. Simmering down pretty good. As you can see, it's coming together nicely. I put my rice on. Put a little bit of oil in some of the food. Okay, I'll be back in a second to show you guys how this all plays out. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the finishing plating. That's delicious. Till next time, guys. Stay blessed.